The Rizal Technological University Management System, provided by the Management Information System Office through the System and Database Administration, brings you a process for setting up the official time schedule for non-teaching administrative and contractual personnel. Begin by logging into the RTU employee portal. Select the Personnel Maintenance Schedule. Then click Add. Now set the location, the academic year, the effective date, the normal working hours, and the applicable days. Then click Submit. Below, in the day of week exception, set the desired time schedule for each day, including the break time. The required office hours are 8 hours from Monday to Friday, and a total of 40 hours is the maximum for each week. Administrative personnel are allowed to work for 10 hours daily, thus completing the 40 hours weekly requirement in 4 days. While for contractual personnel, it is required to have 8 hours only for the daily office hours and complete the maximum 40 hours from Monday to Friday. After setting up the time schedule, you can now scroll down and click the Close button. Those are the steps for setting up the official time schedule. If you have questions or still need further assistance, feel free to contact us at micboney@rtu.edu.ph. That is all, and thank you for watching.